Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency trading with a focus on the BingX crypto exchange. If you're new to the crypto scene or an experienced trader, BingX offers a robust platform that caters to all users. BingX is not just another exchange. It's a comprehensive trading platform designed for seamless experiences. With a user-friendly interface, advanced trading options, and a wide array of cryptocurrencies available, BingX stands out in the competitive crypto market. One of the key features that make BingX exceptional is its mission to provide a secure and efficient trading environment. With top-notch security protocols in place, your assets are well protected. This means you can trade with peace of mind, knowing your investments are safe. BingX also offers a unique copy trading feature, allowing you to follow the strategies of experienced traders. This is perfect for beginners who want to learn from the best while potentially earning profits without much prior knowledge. But here's the best part. By using my referral code CHUCHU, you can unlock exclusive benefits on your BingX account. Not only will you get a bonus on your first deposit, but you'll also gain access to premium features that can enhance your trading experience. Why miss out on these perks? In addition, the platform provides real-time market analysis and trading signals that can help you make informed decisions. You can access various trading tools to analyze different coins, track market trends, and set your strategy in motion. So, whether you want to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or explore alternative altcoins, BingX is your go-to platform. Remember, using the referral code CHUCHU not only benefits you with bonuses, but also supports the channel as we continue to share valuable insights in the crypto space. Join the BingX community today and start your trading journey with a significant advantage. Don't forget to hit the link below to sign up and use my referral code CHUCHU to get started. Thanks for tuning in to Crypto Kickstart and happy trading.